IM Resource Hub is your trusted source to find free K-12 teaching resources that are useful to you, allowing you to enhance your illustrative mathematics teaching and learning experience. In the IM Resource Hub, you can find resources that complement the illustrative mathematics curriculum and implementation. Even better, Illustrative Mathematics will continue to update the Hub with additional supplemental materials for the curricula. You can use the Hub from your laptop or mobile device. Within the Hub are various formats of resources and various types of resources. The various formats include videos, PDFs, documents, and other file types used in the curricula, slide decks, and presentations. Some examples of the specific types of resources you'll find in the IM Resource Hub include Unit Math story videos for IM 6-8 Math and Algebra 1 that help educators understand the mathematical arc of a unit. Scheduling support, unit adaptation guides, and much more. Let's get started. To get to the IM Resource Hub, visit illustrativemathematics.org and click on Resources located in the top navigation bar. Here, you'll learn all about the IM Resource Hub and its features. Simply click the Start Browsing Resources button to enter the Hub and begin your search. No sign-in required. There are 2 ways to search that will produce relevant results. The first way is to search for resources according to grade band, so you can find relevant results for what you need. You can easily search for resources by grades kindergarten through 5, grades 6 through 8, and grades 9 through 12. Say you want to search for unit-level resources for grades K through 5. First, click on the Grades K through 5 resource button. Then type the keyword unit in the search box. You can make your search more specific by selecting a format in the drop-down menu, and also by selecting the category in the drop-down menu. The second way to search is to use the search field located in the top right corner of the IM Resource Hub. Say you want to perform a broader search for routines. Type in the keyword routines and hit enter. You'll now see various resources for routines. You can refine your search by selecting article title, content, summary, format, and audience, category, grade band, and resource collection title. When you find a resource that you like, be sure to bookmark it in your browser so you can easily access, revisit, and organize your favorite resources and their URLs. For example, say you know you're going to use the grades 9 through 12 routines list this year. First, click on the resource. Then use your preferred bookmarking tool, like the one that's part of your web browser. You can also download a file and save it to your device. If you need help, click on the IM Resource Hub Frequently Asked Questions, or FAQs, where you'll find answers to some of the most common questions associated with the Hub. We truly hope you find exactly what you need here in the IM Resource Hub. Happy navigating!